Today, we practice shadowing together. 100 fast replies for you. These are perfect for the elevator, the street, or just chatting with your neighbors.
Shadowing is simple. You listen and speak at the same time. It helps you speak faster and with a better accent. You just need to copy our voices.
Your goal is to speak exactly with us.
But let's keep it New York style, quick and snappy.
One important tip: don't stop. Even if you don't understand a word, just keep moving your tongue. Try to catch the rhythm of the sentence. If you practice this every day, your English will become much smoother.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Snack English.
Let's start. One, opening a conversation. Natural conversation starters.
What brings you here?
What brings you here?
Been here before?
Been here before?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Nice place, isn't it?
Nice place, isn't it?
How do you know Adam?
How do you know Adam?
What do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun?
Busy day today.
Busy day today?
Working hard?
Working hard?
See the game last night?
See the game last night?
I love this song.
I love this song.
Is it always this busy?
Is it always this busy?
Are you from around here?
Are you from around here?
What's your favorite spot?
What's your favorite spot?
That looks delicious.
That looks delicious.
Long line today, right?
Long line today, right?
Heard great things about this.
Heard great things about this.
It's my first time here.
It's my first time here.
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Really like your style.
Really like your style.
What a small world.
What a small world.
Excuse me, sorry.
Excuse me, sorry. 2. Street and commute. Fast, polite, real life.
Got the time?
Got the time?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Which way is the subway?
Which way is the subway?
Thanks a million.
Thanks a million.
No problem at all.
No problem at all.
Coming through.
Coming through.
Is this the right bus?
Is this the right bus?
My bad, didn't see you.
My bad, didn't see you.
Have a safe trip.
Have a safe trip.
Mind if I sit here?
Mind if I sit here?
I'm in a hurry.
I'm in a hurry.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
It's just around the corner.
It's just around the corner.
You can't miss it.
You can't miss it.
Follow me.
Follow me.
Does this stop at 42nd?
Does this stop at 42nd?
Watch out.
Watch out.
You're good, no worries.
You're good, no worries.
Have a good trip.
Have a good trip. 3. Elevator and neighbors. Short, friendly, every day.
Going up?
Going up?
After you.
After you.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Stay dry out there.
Stay dry out there.
It's freezing today.
It's freezing today.
Is this your floor?
Is this your floor?
Busy morning, huh?
Busy morning, huh?
Love your coat.
Love your coat.
Have a nice weekend.
Have a nice weekend.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Can't complain.
Can't complain.
Beautiful day, right?
Beautiful day, right?
Take care.
Take care.
See you around.
See you around.
Watch your step.
Watch your step.
Nice weather today.
Nice weather today.
Almost Friday.
Almost Friday.
Getting crowded, huh?
Getting crowded, huh?
Step to the back, please.
Step to the back, please.
That's interesting.
That's interesting. 4. Quick reactions.
Tell me more.
Tell me more.
No way.
No way.
You're kidding.
You're kidding.
I totally agree.
I totally agree.
I see what you mean.
I see what you mean.
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
What happened next?
What happened next?
I bet that was fun.
I bet that was fun.
How did that feel?
How did that feel?
I can imagine.
I can imagine.
That sounds amazing.
That sounds amazing.
Oh, I get it now.
Oh, I get it now.
Really? That's wild.
Really? That's wild.
Good for you.
Good for you.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you.
Sorry to hear that.
Sorry to hear that.
That's a shame.
That's a shame.
What a bummer.
What a bummer.
Keep me posted.
Keep me posted. 5. Ending the conversation. Leaving, saying goodbye.
Well, I should get going.
Well, I should get going.
I don't want to keep you.
I don't want to keep you.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
Let's catch up soon.
Let's catch up soon.
I'll let you get back to it.
I'll let you get back to it.
I've got to run.
I've got to run.
See you later.
See you later.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Give me a shout sometime.
Give me a shout sometime.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Let's do this again.
Let's do this again.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
It was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Anyway, I'll see ya.
Anyway, I'll see ya.
I'm off to work.
I'm off to work.
Until next time.
Until next time.
Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Catch you on the flip side.
Catch you on the flip side. Perfect. Practice these daily and you'll sound like a local in no time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Snack English.
See you in the next snack.